Born into privilege in Nnewi in 1933, Ojukwu was destined for greatness. He pursued his education at prestigious institutions, including Eton College and Oxford University, before returning to Nigeria to serve in the military. On November 4th, we gather to honor the life and legacy of a remarkable leader, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, a man whose courage and vision shaped the course of Nigerian history.
If civil war comes, and I do think it is imminent, you're quite right, it will for us be the price of freedom. Our people here have for a long time been prepared for this eventuality, and I am confident of their readiness. I think that when it does come, that the people on the other side would be surprised.
But it was his unwavering commitment to his people that defined him. As Nigeria faced growing tensions and ethnic strife, Ojukwu emerged as a voice for the marginalized, the oppressed, and the Igbo nation. In 1967, he made a bold declaration, the Republic of Biafra.
Today I stand before you proud to be a servant of such a heroic people. Today I stand before you to proclaim that our heroic youth in the various fronts have turned the tide of this war. They have smashed all enemy offensives directed at our destruction. In the air they have destroyed systematically the sinews of Nigeria's military might. The Biafran Air Force, small as it is, has stopped the entire oil flow of Nigeria from the mainland west.
With that act, he became a symbol of resistance, leading a nation into a struggle for self-determination. Despite the challenges and the heart-wrenching conflict that followed, Ojukwu's resolve never wavered. He became a beacon of hope, inspiring countless individuals to fight for justice and equity.
Your meeting today is very crucial. The East is at the crossroads. Since our last meeting, everything possible has been done by the enemies of the East to escalate the crisis in an attempt to bring about the collapse of this region. They have failed and will continue to fail. In 1953, the late Sir Abubakar Tafawa in a speech in the Legislative Council said, since the amalgamation of the southern and northern provinces in 1914, Nigeria has existed as one country only on paper. It is still far from being united. The country is inhabited by peoples and tribes who speak different languages, who have different religions, different customs and traditions, and entirely different historical backgrounds in their way of life, and who have also attained different stages of development. We do not want our southern neighbors to interfere in our development, but I should like to make it clear to you that if the British quitted Nigeria now at this stage, the northern people would continue their interrupted conquest to the sea. Interrupted conquest. That has always been the northern intention. Thank God that the East has now awakened to its responsibilities. And with that awakening, that ambitious dream will never be fulfilled in this country.
His leadership during the Nigerian Civil War remains a testament to his dedication to his people. As we reflect on his life, we remember not just the trials he faced, but the principles he stood for: courage, integrity, and an unyielding belief in a better future for all.
Brave boys, fight on, heroes of our fatherland. Pursue the enemy, harass him, destroy the invader. March on, brave boys, now that victory is in sight. March on and hasten the disintegration of the enemy already set in motion.
Ojukwu's legacy extends beyond the borders of Biafra. It resonates in the heart of those who believe in the power of unity and the importance of standing up for one's rights. Today, on what would have been his birthday, we celebrate Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, not just as a historical figure, but as a guiding light for generations to come. His vision continues to inspire, reminding us that true leadership is about serving others and fighting for justice. Let us carry forward his legacy, honoring his contributions to Nigeria and the world. As we reflect on his impact, may we be inspired to stand for what is right, to speak for those who cannot, and to pursue a future filled with hope and justice. Happy birthday, Ojukwu. Your spirit lives on in our hearts.